Capital budgeting, also known as capital asset planning, is a term relating to the decision-making process companies go through when they must determine whether to invest in a specific long-term initiative or asset. In addition, capital budgeting is used as a tool allowing company executives to compare alternatives they have when making strategic decisions. Let's provide a few examples of decisions that merit an extensive capital budgeting investment analysis. We will typically use capital budgeting techniques when assessing the investment in a new production plant, the acquisition of a new ERP system, R&D activities related to a new project, expanding our existing warehouse, purchase or leasing new vehicles, invest a significant amount in employee training, and so on. These projects differ greatly from each other but have a few traits in common. All are long-term and represent decisions that will shape the company's success in the years to come. In addition, these initiatives require a significant initial investment, and making the right calls becomes even more important, as no investments can be easily reversed. Okay, great. So, capital budgeting is an assessment method we apply when we must decide on an investment for which a large amount of money and risk is involved, decisions are irreversible, and might impact our business for the years to come. Awesome! When we try to assess a project's feasibility, we must consider three main parameters: capital that will be invested, the project's timing, and the return we could expect. Okay, I realize this has to do with financial math and discounting cash flows, which is why we've prepared the next 2 lessons as a refresher for those of you who need it. Otherwise, you can jump straight to the lessons in which we will apply several capital budgeting techniques in practice.